Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by picking the generator type and confirming the content you want to encode. First, decide static versus dynamic. Dynamic lets you edit the destination later. Next, enter the URL or paste the text. If it's Wi-Fi, include SSID, encryption, and password. Once done, set size and error correction. Higher correction tolerates damage but increases density. Make sure output file type matches. Use PNG for web, SVG for print, and then click Generate to create the QR pattern. After generation, customize appearance without breaking scannability. You can change foreground and background colors, but keep strong contrast. Add a logo only if error correction is increased. Once you apply styling, preview at the final printing size and on-screen scale to check module clarity. Then export a test image and scan with 2 different phones and a third-party scanner to confirm it resolves to the right content. If scanning fails, back up, enlarge modules, increase correction, or remove complex logos. Finish by exporting the QR in the correct file type and resolution. Use 300 dpi for print and optimized PNG or SVG for web. If you used a dynamic code, set up tracking and test redirect stability so analytics record scans. Deploy on your media, then verify in situ under real lighting. If anything goes wrong, troubleshoot. Increase physical size, boost contrast, raise error correction, or remove intricate graphics. One quick fix is to re-export at a larger size. That usually restores reliable scanning.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.